Michael Jordan, basketball star. A graded reader, level A1. Chapter 1, A Boy and His Ball. Michael Jordan is born in Brooklyn, New York. His family moves to Wilmington, North Carolina. He is a small child with a big family. He has 2 brothers and 2 sisters. His father, James, loves baseball. His mother, Dolores, teaches him to work hard. Young Michael plays many sports. He likes baseball and football. But he loves playing basketball with his brother, Larry. They play in the backyard every day. Larry is older and stronger than Michael. Michael often loses the games. But he does not stop. He wants to be better than his brother. Chapter 2, A Big Lesson. Michael goes to Laney High School. He is a good student and a good athlete. In his second year, he wants to join the school basketball team. The team is the varsity A team. Many boys want to be on the team. The coach looks at the list of players. Michael's name is not on the list. The coach says Michael is too short. Michael is very, very sad. He goes home and locks himself in his room. He cries because he loves basketball. But his mother tells him a secret. She says, work hard and practice. Michael listens to his mother. He practices every morning before school. He grows taller and he gets better. The next year, he makes the team. Chapter 3, The Big Shot. After high school, Michael goes to the University of North Carolina. He plays for the Tar Heels. He wears a light blue uniform. Michael is a star student and a star player. In 1982, there is a very big game. It is the national championship game. The game is against Georgetown University. The stadium is full of people. The clock is near the end. North Carolina is losing by 1 point. The ball goes to Michael. He is young, but he is not afraid. He jumps and shoots the ball. The ball goes through the hoop. North Carolina wins the game. Michael is a hero. This shot changes his life forever. Chapter 4, Welcome to Chicago. In 1984, Michael leaves university. He joins the NBA. The NBA is the professional league in America. A team called the Chicago Bulls chooses him. Chicago is a big, cold city. The Bulls are not a very good team at this time. But Michael wants to change that. He wears the number 23 on his red jersey. In his first year, he plays very well. He scores many points in every game. He jumps so high that people are surprised. He looks like he is walking in the air. The fans love him. He wins the Rookie of the Year award. He is the best new player in the league. Chapter 5, The Challenge of the Pistons. Michael is now a superstar. He has his own shoes called Air Jordans. Children all over the world want to be like Michael. But Michael wants to win a championship with the Bulls. It is not easy. There is a team called the Detroit Pistons. The Pistons are very strong and very bad. They play very hard against Michael. They hit him and they push him. Every year, the Pistons beat the Bulls. Michael is frustrated. He goes to the gym and lifts weights. He becomes stronger. He learns to play with his teammates. He trusts Scottie Pippen and Horace Grant. In 1991, the Bulls finally beat the Pistons. They are ready for the final. Chapter 6, Champions at Last. In 1991, the Chicago Bulls go to the NBA Finals. They play against the Los Angeles Lakers. The Lakers have a great star named Magic Johnson. But Michael Jordan is ready for this moment. He plays with a lot of energy and heart. He passes the ball to his friends. He shoots the ball from far away. The Bulls win the series. Michael wins his first championship. In the locker room, he holds the trophy. He cries because he is so happy. His father and mother are there with him. The next year, they win again. In 1993, they win for the third time in a row. People call this a three-peat. Michael is the king of the world of sports. Chapter 7, A Difficult Goodbye. In the summer of 1993, something very bad happens. Michael's father, James, dies. Michael is very, very sad. James is his best friend and his teacher. Michael does not want to play basketball without his father. He says, "I have no more secrets to prove." The world is in shock. The best player in the world retires. Michael decides to play baseball. Baseball is the sport his father loved. He plays for a team called the Birmingham Barons. He is not a superstar in baseball. It is very difficult for him. He travels on a bus with the team. He practices every day under the sun. But the basketball world misses him every day. Chapter 8, The Return of the King. It is March 1995. The Chicago Bulls are not winning many games. The fans are sad. Then, a famous message arrives. It is a fax with only 2 words, "I'm back." Michael Jordan is a basketball player again. He goes to the gym and puts on a jersey. He wears the number 45 because his old number 23 is retired. In his first games, he is a bit slow. But soon, the magic returns. He scores 55 points in one game in New York. He changes his number back to 23. The fans are very excited. Michael is older, but he is smarter now. He works harder than the young players. He wants to be a champion one more time. Chapter 9, The Perfect Season. In 1996, Michael is in great shape. He has new teammates like Dennis Rodman. The Chicago Bulls are the best team in history. They win 72 games in one season. They only lose 10 games. It is a new record for the NBA. They go to the finals against the Seattle Supersonics. The Bulls win the championship again. This day is very special because it is Father's Day. Michael lies on the floor and cries. He thinks about his father in heaven. In 1997, they win another championship. In 1998, they win their 6th trophy. Michael makes a famous shot in the last seconds of the game. He is a legend. He is the greatest of all time. Chapter 10, Life After Basketball. In 1998, Michael leaves the Chicago Bulls. He plays for a short time for the Washington Wizards. Then, in 2003, he stops playing forever. But Michael is still very busy. He is a very successful businessman. He has his own brand of clothes and shoes. The Jordan brand is famous in every country. He buys a basketball team called the Charlotte Hornets. He is the first player to own a team. He is also a billionaire. He gives a lot of money to help poor people. He helps children go to school. He builds hospitals for people who are sick. He is a champion on the court and off the court. Michael Jordan's story is a story of success. He shows us that failure is a part of life. He says, "I miss more than 9,000 shots in my career." He loses many games. But he never stops trying. He practices when other people sleep. He dreams big dreams and works to make them real. Today, children still wear his shoes. They still watch his videos on the internet. They want to be like Mike. He is a symbol of hard work and excellence. He is the man who can fly. Michael Jordan is a true legend of basketball. The end.